Aguilar Sandra C. from Block B, and I will portray Ma'am Miriam Defensor Santiago. Miriam Defensor Santiago served as a senator for 3 terms, where she became known for unwavering stance on various social, economic, and political issues. From 1995 to 2016, she was the Chair Committee on Foreign Relations, Chair Committee on Constitutional Amendments and Revision of Codes, Chair Joint Congressional Oversight Committee on the Overseas Absentee Voting Act, Chair Commission on Appointments, Committee of Foreign Affairs, Chair Legislative Oversight Committee on Visiting Forces Agreement, Chair Committee on Economic Affairs, and Chair Special Oversight Committee on Foreign Affairs. She earned recognition for her fierce effort to combat corruption within the government. She also led several investigations and exposes into government anomalies, pushing for accountability in the Philippine political system. She earned recognition as one of the brightest legal minds, graduating at the top of her class at the University of the Philippines College of Law, and earned a master's degree in law from Harvard University. She was also appointed by the United Nations as a judge at the International Criminal Court in 2011 for a 9-year term. And as a senator, she authored and co-authored numerous important laws, including the Anti-Terrorism Law, the Anti-Mail Bride Order Law, and the National Land Use Act. When it comes to leadership style, Miriam was known for her conviction and independence, her unwavering commitment to integrity, and as a scholar with a background in law and international relations, she brought an intellectual rigor to her work. She was also known for her humor and charisma. She has been called as the Incorruptible Lady, the Platinum Lady, the Tiger Lady, and the Iron Lady of Asia. She was cited for bold and moral leadership in cleaning up a graft-ridden government agency.
Ngayon, kung lahat pala tayo honest dito, why is the Philippines often, if not all the times, why is the Philippines ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba, kung malilinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin dito, bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the corrupt countries in the world? On one hand, I might die, and then they could rid of me. But on the other hand, I might survive, then I could rid of them. Why is this country so poor? Why is life so hard? And the reason is plain and simple. And that reason is because politics in this country is so corrupt.